9:37 a.m. of a Sunday, May 28. So bali, na-cancel yung Escalante shoot. So wala tayong magawa. Practice na lang tayo. Okay, since we're here, gagawin ko na lang yung 300 shot. Okay, so no practice. Nakalagay yung Tactacam. Yung ginawa ko lang is readjusted the mounts kaunti. Yung no limit mounts kaunti. Tapos zeroed at 100 yards. So I'm at the minimum of my elevation turret. So meron pa ako mga more or less 50 plus. Okay. So based on my Strelok, yung 300 yards. 300 yards, okay. Zeroed at 100. Save, done, calculate. Yung binigay niya is 53.85 MOA elevation. Okay. Ano pang isda? Taga-tagang dagan man na kagina. Pang isda guro eh. May natula naman daw. Akanding. So 53. Okay, so 50. Okay, we have 15, 30, 45, 6, 7, 8 na. Okay na. Let's check. So check natin sa check natin sa zeroed at 100. Tapos I'll just go up 45 MOA. Titignan ko kung ano yung hold over. Okay, 45 MOA sa 300. Yung holdover ko is 9 MOA. Okay, kasi kulang yung adjustment ko sa mount. So yung gagawin ko na lang para I can shoot, actually the wind is picking up right now. Andyan na yung hangin. Okay, so may hangin pa rin. So I'm going to hold 9 MOA. Hindi ko na throwing ito So I'll just hold 9 MOA at 300 yards and see if it hits. Okay, so Tactacam ready and recording. Okay, stop muna. Anong mode nito? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so I will, I'll pause. Okay, so I'll just record. Okay, so the Tactacam is recording and you cannot see it sa GoPro kasi wala naman zoom yung GoPro eh. You can see it sa Tactacam. So simultaneous recording, walang problema. Okay, so I'm using the 218 H&N slug 21 grain. Okay. Okay, so first shot, it's a yellow square. Parang aluminum eh. Pinintahan ko ng yellow. So, we'll see. 9 MOA hold over. Okay, so the wind is from my, more or less from my 637. Okay, 9 MOA. Okay, I'll just try okay, I'll just bracket it sa 12, 13, 14 MOA. 14 MOA, see if I can hit this plate. 14 MOA. Okay, so still no hit, and the wind is picking up. So my next option is I will try to shoot. I will shoot on water. Tingnan natin kung meron akong or sa trash. Okay, any trash there? 9 MOA. Let's see. Okay, so I'm hitting 8 MOA right. 8 MOA right sa 12, 13, 14. Okay. 8 MOA right. Okay, so I'm just going to hold lang muna.